Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really exciting to share with all of you small business owners out there. We'll be diving into an amazing tool that will streamline your shipping process and make your life so much easier. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, let's get started. If you've ever struggled with managing shipments or keeping your customers updated, you're going to love this. Here's why you should be using the Auto Track Shipment Status feature from Instamojo. With automatic order status tracking, merchants can save valuable time and effort by automating the tracking process. For stores with a significant number of orders, the feature simplifies order management. It makes it easier to handle a large volume of orders efficiently. As the business grows and order volumes increases, the automatic order status tracking feature ensures seamless scalability. Merchants can handle more orders without overwhelming their resources. The intuitive design makes it easy for merchants to navigate and manage shipment tracking effortlessly. Merchants with minimal order history also can quickly implement auto shipment tracking on their store. Let me show you how you can use this feature. To start receiving automatic status updates, users need to follow a few simple steps. On the left-hand side over here under Store Orders, click on All Orders and you will see a list of all your orders over here. Click on the three dots over here and click on Update Order Status. Enable the tracking ID. Now select your shipping provider and add the tracking ID over here. Once these details are entered, the status will be updated automatically within 12 to 24 hours. Click Save and you're done. With the enhanced Manage Orders feature, users can conveniently view and filter the list of new statuses. A drop-down menu will allow users to filter the statuses according to their preferences. Should you want to manually upgrade the status at any given point in time, all you'll have to do is turn the tracking ID toggle off. Instamojo will then stop tracking your order automatically. You will have to manually update all the tracking process yourself. So there you have it. The Auto Track Shipment feature by Instamojo, designed to make your life as a small business owner much simpler. Say goodbye to manual tracking and hello to automated success. If you're ready to elevate your shipping game, head to the link in the description to learn more and start using this game-changing tool today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.